Sneezing is your body's natural way of clearing irritants from the nose. It starts when something like dust, pollen, or a virus irritates the sensitive lining inside your nose. Tiny hairs and nerve endings detect this irritation and send a signal to your brain. In response, your brain coordinates a reflex action involving several parts of your body. You take a deep breath, and your chest muscles, diaphragm, throat, and mouth all prepare for action. The throat and mouth briefly close, causing pressure to build up in the lungs. Then, suddenly, everything opens, and a powerful burst of air is expelled through the nose and mouth. The air can travel at speeds up to 100 miles per hour,